Mainly the people are there between partners. Generally, they did not have a crime because they love each other. So generally the people are not accepting the this marriage because generally they are thinking like that people are in lower class people like lower class people who are in rural area. They're not thinking like a village is not village people are not thinking like a love marriage is a good, but urban people are thinking like especially love marriage is equal opportunity for both couples who are there in love marriage. So I personally want that love marriage is good for nature and good for
It's what you have said, right? But it's not happening in rural area. It's also happening. I mean, in urban area. How in what like if some person they fallen in love with any person, so after that they are not financially stabilized. Their career are not stabilized. So what's happening after time? After few months, they will face some problem regarding financial issue. So first they have to establish their career, and then they settle. Then after that they move for their marriage. So that's my opinion.
But in this time, why are also settled, but a family are not convenient to both to love marriage because our society these people think a mind to love marriage is a bad activity, bad crime, social crime, and every people to not support a love marriage. But I think a love marriage is good because both person to faces all problems on life to support each and support both one. They don't get support from the society. Why? Okay. Let's see.
But sometimes in love marriage, they break sometimes because of their partner. They fight with their own parents because of others. It's not good. It's break our relation.
yes,
Yeah,
but
it break the rules of society, right? Yeah.
but I have some points. Like in Article 21 and Article 19 in Constitution.
Nobody is
So,
saying that like to personally
yes,
right?
so it's a personal thing. So we cannot ask a parent because who are loving each other. So it was good for their society and good for their nature also.
Okay, but we are not talking about criminal offenses, right? We are talking about social crime. So whatever the activities are comes under the government monitoring or supervision, it is considered a crime. But we are talking about social crime. It violates the real actual rules and regulation of our society. You talked about.
But I said
Yeah, you said recently that
yes,
Article 21.
yes,
Right, right to freedom and personal
19,
liberty.
yes.
But
Article
okay,
19.
that's fine. But we are not talking about criminal offenses. We are talking about social crime, and it is a social crime. There are several numbers of rules and regulations. Rules and regulations. If I talk about at national level, it is other. And if I talk about even there are rules and regulations in our families as well. If you violate that, it is considered as you can say that family wrongdoing activities. It comes under the wrongdoing activities of families, right? So there are several, but we are talking about social crime. Is it a social crime or not? If you look at my opinion, yeah, definitely I would say that it is a social crime because it violates the rules and regulations of our society. At the same time, it really harms the, if we can say that, the cultural norms of our society. Let's suppose if you are not fit in a society, they will throw you out from that society. They will kick you, right? So I would say that it is a social crime. Why do you support? Why are you supporting us? I really don't know. Just share your own opinion.
I don't think that love marriage is a social crime because love marriage is a choice of two individual, and I think marriage is a lifelong commitment of two individuals, and I think that everybody has a right to choose their life partner.
Yes.
So I don't think that we should title this as a social crime because this is in marriage. We should have a life. We should live for a whole life together, and I don't think that love marriage is called as a social crime.
Okay.
But
Okay. Huh.
love marriage, love is not word. Yeah, in every situation. After a long time, we need to not only love, we also want to responsibility and where she is not able to choose a good partner in their life. If you get married with in a love marriage,
Yes,
Okay, you.
I have points. Like, Karuna said,
Okay.
the person in having that have a career that we can do a love marriage because parents also allow him to take a love marriage because the person who are have a career in field, so that parents also supporting him to in love marriage. I personally know that.
Okay, yeah. So I want to oppose you because there is a several reason. You know what? Whenever you are going to do marriage, legal love marriage. So what's happening? You know what? Maybe say come from different region, and you come from different region. So it's breaking our culture because India is known as a traditional culture, and we have been following our culture since several, I mean, many years. So we have to follow our rules and like what's the rules in society. We have to follow those kind of rules and conditions.
Yes.
So it's our responsibility to represent our country in front of globally. So it's depend on you and every people. They are. I mean, it's depend on you and it's our responsibility to follow those kind of good. I mean, information.
the love marriage is not in Indian culture. When we do a love marriage with the all people not support, the all society not support you, and this is also social crime.
Yeah.
Love marriage
Perfect.
is a social crime.
Fine. You said that people have a mutual consent in it. I mean, couple has a mutual consent in it. But let me tell you, there are several people who has already a mutual consent, but later on, what generally we find in our society, they got divorced. I mean, they get divorced, right? You may find numbers of cases in terms of love marriage. So what the reason behind it? Actually, the reason behind it, they don't know the real meaning of a true meaning of love. They sometimes get attracted towards each other and they consider it as a love. Later on, society pressurize and force them to break their bond. And I would say that if we perform the task as per according to the society rules, definitely we will grow more. This is why we need a constitution. This is why we have a constitution that every should work under the constitution. If you break the law, definitely you would be punished. And hence, here I would say additionally one more point that if we break the law of our society, definitely it is considered as social crime. So, in the essence, I would say we don't follow this culture. We have to follow our culture, Indian cultures, and definitely we will grow more.
I think two reasons parents are not support to marriage. Firstly, caste problem. Second is a religion problem.
Okay.
Maximum time I see one caste peoples to love marriage. Both peoples to one caste, one particular caste, boy and girls to do a love marriage. Then parents are support. But maximum times both just boy and girls are different caste. Then parents are not support. Firstly, I think destroy for a casteism and religion. Then that's the reason two parents are not support.
But I
Maximum
think
time.
love marriage is an emotional decision, not a practical thing. Many love marriage are based of emotional, often than capability, finance stability, and based on turn on planning sometime.
I think both are planning
Both are planning what?
long past. Both are planning long past here. I do a love marriage then after some time, but parents are not support.
I didn't get you. Complete you said.
Yeah.
After some time,
Okay, fine. My team has spoken. I mean, one of our team member has spoken. Now you should reply.
You said that in the marriage.
Don't ask. I already told you. That's why you told me. Okay, you next thing.
You said that
Yeah,
general
my
love
team
marriage
has-
don't work because there is any divorce cases in love marriage. But I think in that also people get divorced and many successful love marriage we can see that they continuing. But I think in the love marriage, in arranged marriage, people are forced to marry each other. They don't have valued their own personal choices. They are forced because of the family and the society. So I think that love marriage gives them personal choices, freedom to live their lives. So I don't think that marriage is a social crime.
Okay, let me tell you. You have talked about like people and their parents. They are forcing them to do marriage according to their choice and according to their like. So there is one thing you can find. Every youth and every person they are mature. They are above 18 and they are doing some job and their career has established. Okay. So they are a decision maker now and they are earning money. So they no need to take permission from their family. They are a decision maker. If they want to do marriage, they can do. So that's my conclusion. No one is forcing them to do marriage with anyone without their consent. So even I can see why if they don't want to do marriage, then why they are feeling happy during their event. Even you can see on their face they are smiling, they are making video. So it proves that like they are feeling happy.
Yeah, they are happy.
Yes.
And actually he said right that even we are forced to study, right? But if you look at the long term, then it is beneficial for ourselves. That's why our parents forced to do something. They are experienced one, that's why they say like this. And if someone forced you to do anything, then not someone, if your parents, they are willing to do something for you, like they have sacrificed their every things for us. So why do they say negativity for us? No, they won't say it. Like if you marry forcefully or some putting pressure on you, definitely it may good for the long run. And we have seen multiple cases among us that we are not talking about actually love marriage or arranged marriage, but without discussing love marriage or arranged marriage, it can be possible to discuss on the topic, right? So actually we have seen successful marriage in terms of love, in terms of arranged marriage. No. I corrected it myself. Right. Corrected it. Right.
Yes, I have points.
Yeah, definitely you say.
Yes, like you can see like celebrities like Ranveer Singh and Deepika Padukone is a
Nice couple.
yes, because they are getting so they are established their career also and they love each other because love marriage is important towards a society because it was a better opportunity to know the partners before itself.
Even I want to oppose you. I have said absolutely wrong. How?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I said already right.
No, you have said absolutely wrong. How? Because how much percentage their career has established in India? A huge number of youth they are unemployed. And if even we have fallen in love with girls and like their partner and their career are not established, so they will get some difficulty after a few years. And if you are talking about the celebrity, so they are exceptions, they are only few percent. So we don't have to count this number, we have to count his number. That's my opinion.
Exceptions are taken as example after marriage. Really?
Why not before marriage?
Really? So I should marry, right? So I should get married. I think you guys are not speaking. Gulshan, how about you? You are not speaking. Why? He's thinking that what step should I take for life? Is it marriage or
And after some time,
actually the society can force to each other to force marriage and dowry system. So love marriage directly remove these problems like gender inequality, religious problem, and dowry and forced marriage. All are removed by the love marriage.
really?
Yes.
That's all.
You are right.
Okay. No, let them speak.
Sometimes in love marriage, sometimes couples attract with each other and they think they come back at home. And both families faces so many difficulty. They have to pay give any money. That's why sometimes boys get suicide. Yeah, blue.
It's a depend on people. You have in a love marriage, you have a chance. You spend time more and more. But in a arranged marriage,
Actually, couple is given time before they marry. I have seen in our society. I am also the part of society.
So it's
that they are given time to know each other.
More than 4 months to 5
And even
months.
we see various number of
in village, no any person give a chance to know
You talk to
second
with
person-
her.
I think that it happens. Earlier it was not
Actually
happening.
staying-
Earlier it was not happening, but nowadays it is happening, and it does happen actually.
No, but I think not sufficient time given. In half an hour, they don't decide their whole life.
Yeah, well,
This is why I told you that we are not going there for half an hour. Many people marriage, actually many people perform arranged marriage on the basis of some relatives or through relatives, right? They don't go directly to knock the door. I just want to marry my sister or daughter or someone.
Actually, there is a middleman.
That it happen.
They knows every
Middle-
middleman.
I
This is
know.
why that relative.
They know
But you
why
want a marriage or middleman?
Middleman knows both sides, but they don't know each other. Couples don't know each other personally.
They
Both
can
sides
know.
know.
They can know after some time. Even
Yeah.
let me explain you. Even I talk. Even I give you example about ancient time, what people they have done. After getting married, they have spent their life very. There is no doubt. If I will do compare nowadays, so it cannot possible nowadays. But ancient time it has proved. So even
No,
you can
in
search
ancient
on
time-
Google, you will get it every.
In ancient time,
don't give the data of Google or something.
women don't have too much freedom in ancient time. They don't complain about it. They have to stay in the system which is already existing in the society because society are dominated by men. So if women have any problem, they don't go against it, the society. But in love marriage, women have freedom to choose their partner and.
Okay, you have said right, but you have said one wrong point. Have you heard about our in Bihar? Our government has been giving reservation for the women in even for every sector. If I talk about education, if I talk about any even
You said and
How many percent they give a reduction?
You guys are not talking about. Okay, just speak something. He's not speaking.
I said,
I'm the one. In which team are you? I speak. Are you in my team?
The people, the couple,
yes.
the couple love each other, and after doing marriage, they when they sometimes the girls are doing divorce with his husband and going away, but in the reason of that thing, the boy is doing suicide. That's all.
Yeah, that's a good point. Yeah, speak. Chandan, you heard it right now. Yeah, I speak.
but I think many times this case happened in arranged marriage.
Yes.
Because many girls after arranged marriage not to speak on fathers and parents don't speak to not I feel a suffocation in this person don't speak, but in arranged marriage, in a love marriage, I love marriage both are then decrease chance to divorce.
Yes.
But
Yes.
but in ancient time, in this day, and so love marriage also, so 90-95% also divorce. And we can say that our society and our some countries like many cricketers are also divorced. So also love marriage are in society.
Yes. Good point. But I didn't understand you.
But love marriage.
You are going.
Yeah, whatever you have, speak. We are not professional one to judge you. Right?
They are not going to
Love
mind
marriage.
Please.
Even
Love marriage is not crime because the love both partner are
what happened?
You should complete your sentence.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes.
couples are know perfectly know past times and there's future plans and it's good. So these are good. This relationship is good for future time and not divorces case is decrease.
Okay, now you have said it right. Okay, I want to add one point from.
Okay.
Okay. My point is actually you know what's happening when what happened when you are going to love marriage. So there is no any family support. But in arranged marriage there is a family support. Even you know what like in India there is a like two couple they are not doing one person they are not doing job. Only one person they are earning money. And one person they are depend on their partner. So what's happening? Like what's happening in love marriage? Like women another like they are not they don't have opportunity and right to walk away from his partner. But in arranged marriage, if his partner will do anything bad with her another, she will do wrong with his partner. So they have family support. So like they are depend on their partner. So they don't have any another option. But in arranged marriage, people they have another option. Like even their family will support them in any situation,
Why?
support them in any circumstance, in any situation. But in arranged, in love marriage, it cannot happening. Okay,
It can't be possible.
It can't be possible.
Why?
You,
Right.
you have
It's
an
not
idea
possible.
why parents support in arranged marriage, because you started arranged marriage started of condition. Firstly, he demand dowry. Second, he would want to what is your girl's qualification, means daughter qualification. He is not, firstly first condition is dowry. Why? Firstly, you talk with girls. He is able to do anything. That's why.
Yeah, can you do anything or not? Okay. So, Sony or someone from that side.
Has any point?
Yeah, I have one.
Actually, I am asking.
Don't say.
What difference here?
Firstly-
Okay, from your team. Now it's our
Okay.
turn.
Oppose.
Say.
Sony or from that side. No, did you hear her or not? We are not supporting. I mean, we are in support of what? What we
Love
want.
Love marriage.
Love marriage.
Right.
Not as social.
Yeah, it's not a social club. We are supporting. Don't say that we are supporting. Okay. Now you are supporting that it is a social crime. And whatever the points we have already spoken, you don't have to speak those points. You have to bring a new idea so that you can evaluate yourself where you stand. Right now. Do you want us to proceed this topic or do you want to? This is what I told that we are not professional one. So we are not going to judge you, justify your statement, right?
Speak anything.
Yeah, definitely. Who said it? Not anything. About topic.
What is coming in your mind? You can.
Like in love marriage, generally we can see that.
Wait, Rhythm. You don't say, you know,
Yes.
don't mumble, right? Don't start that. You may take pause.
Okay.
Okay? Fine.
Like in love marriage, we can see that.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. That is fine.
Like dowry system is there now, so it was a very bad thing for a love marriage because they asked many monies, many properties.
Okay.
So
Do that.
You are talking about arranged marriage.
Yeah, we have changed. Now, so don't have to speak on the rules.
we are against
We are now
Love marriage.
supporting. Love marriage is a social crime.
Yeah, you said.
No.
Maybe a love marriage is, they can't promote love marriage because it promotes the individual selfness and many more things. So this is not a own decision. So that's why our society is not promote and they can know about the love marriage is crime.
Definitely.
But our government also permit and support, because our government give 1 lakh school fees. Yeah.
Please avoid it. Now, Karunakar, he was saying something.
Yeah, actually, I was about to one point, and my point
I was
is
about to one point.
I was about to say one
One
point.
point.
Okay, and my point is, you know what? In why like society they are opposing love marriage. There are several reasons. Perhaps like there are their personal selfish reason. Yeah, like selfish individual reason.
No.
Suppose we are
supporting.
Vice versa.
Okay, actually, I'm going to support our team. Just let me complete.
Okay.
Yeah. So actually, like there is like there are their personal individual reason. That's why they are not supporting love marriage by like through the society. Because you know what? If in our in our constitution, like already has written love marriage is fairness. Love marriage is fair, and we can move for love marriage. There is no any issue. So.
Where? I also want.
Where?
I
think
Yeah, they are supporting love marriage. So in love marriage, there is no any person according to our choice. There is no any circumstance. But what's happening in society? According to society, they are not getting some benefit from their children, from their kids. That's why they are opposing us. But you know what? We are above 18 and we are mature. We know what is better for us and what is not better for us. And definitely, if we will take a good decision, so it could be beneficial for us because we have to live with our partner. They don't have to live with our partner. So it's our choice because I am going to spend my life with my partner.
After born child, parents invest lots of money and time. Parents do things. Child's
Based on hope of their parents.
child to after 20 and 25. Then I go to a marriage. Parents do things on a before times, but after some times child's marriage, love marriage. Then I think parents and society to harms because main reason things every child and people thinks and you see this person to conduct a love marriage, then also me conduct also me love marriage. Then I think love marriage is a social crime.
I also put it to one point.
No, you were saying something.
I also put it to one point.
Do you want to say something?
No any parents can ever think their bad thing of child. So they can born their child and they can everything do there. So if a child can against the parents, so it is their parents can feel very disrespectful.
I add some points.
Yeah, I will answer you guys simultaneously.
And I will also think about
So I have some point. Again, you will.
First, in love marriage, they generally hide their relationship. So that's why that love marriage is hiding their relationship, and suddenly that if any partner will not communicate each other, if any misunderstanding each other is done literally, but they cut their that what. So like that, I have that opinion on my side.
You also want to cut
Okay, guys, from this part,
I am going.
no point. Listen him properly.
Then why you are laughing? It's not a laughing class.
Yeah.
Good. But yeah, say politely. Don't you have it? Sony? You speak. Please speak suddenly. Don't wait for the other.
If parents forcefully married a girl and where in-laws detained her and tortured her, people say it is retained in their love. But if she chooses a partner and he hurts her, they not support them because of her fault. They said it's your fault. It's not good.
Yeah,
That's
definitely
our point.
she said
Right.
very well point. That if she is beaten by her husband, people, if you are talking about society, say that it was in their destiny, right? It is in their destiny, right? So nobody will come at your place. I mean, nobody will come at your home to say anything. So there are few things that you said that they don't reveal their relationship, right? So there are few things that if we want to keep it secret, then what's wrong in this? There is nothing wrong in this, and needless to reveal it, right? So if if I reveal everything about my home, then it is not good. So if I am not going to reveal it, then it's also perfect for me and for my partner as well.
Yes.
So if we go through the love marriage, then it may be beneficial for ourselves because society will never come at your place to see your situation or help out from your difficult situation, right? So I would say we can go through a love marriage because it is not a social crime.
But it was because like that partner will beat another girls we are in relationships. So that partner will sometimes they don't understand their partner and they will not communicate each other. They beat them for that.
Okay, fine. That it happens in every case, right?
Yes, every
right.
cases.
If you see arranged marriage, then it also happens. Understood? Sometimes what happens? Let me tell you. Couple has mutual consent while they marry, right? But in love marriage, in arranged marriage, it doesn't happen. Girls have to live there, stay there forcefully. Whether she is happy or not doesn't matter. But let me tell you one point here that getting divorced is better than having extramarital affairs. So I think we got that one.
Yes.
That continuing extramarital affairs, that is not perfect for the society, right? So they continue it, and we have seen number of cases. Due to this, blue drum case has happened, right? So having a extramarital affair is not good. Getting divorce is, I would prefer that is good.
And what's happening in adult marriage, you people like people they are no like people they are always asking for approval, for social approval like approval, yeah. They are taking approval from society, like to do love marriage, so they want they will not support us, and like society will oppose us. It means support, actually it means we should not be seek for social validation, so we should, I say right, man.
Yeah,
Validation. So we should choose by ourselves, and it's our life, and we don't have to go for like social validation. And the people they are not giving us money, and it's my life, and I know what is better for me, so I will go for myself.
That's what I told.
But parents will force you, then what you will do?
Okay.
Yeah, yes. First, I want to say that.
Okay, you want to listen from my mouth, and you want my answer, okay?
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Yes, I want.
Okay, no issue. There is no issue. Actually, parents they are forcing them, like, they are opposing
Yes.
them. So definitely, I like we should walk away from our family, because it's our life, and I don't want to live with my family if they don't want to get happiness for myself.
If they are not satisfied with it.
No,
Yeah.
not satisfied.
That decision. Okay,
Yeah.
fine. Okay, now don't you guys want to speak? Please speak. We are being recorded, right? Understood? So please try to speak. Otherwise,
I think in love marriage, generally couples are not supported by their family, so it's a bigger bond in their families, and also the family get boycotted by the society. They get isolated. So due to the love marriage in the family suffers most in the society. So I think doing love marriage, couples are doing social crime.
I agree with I agree with your point. Okay, fine. Then this is why I don't want to say anything. Please, but say something. What was that point?
I think real crime is killing society pressures that love marriage is not itself.
Before love marriage, why I invest a lots of money for girls?
Which time is
Before marriage, our parents are not support,
Don't support.
for parents don't support and don't give money. Then mostly times after marriage, love marriage, divorce situation too.
But they don't want to need money. But they only invest by themselves.
Yeah.
But she don't from the person.
In this
She
way.
only
invest your money. Why should
They actually both invest their time, money, everything on themselves.
Don't.
You're getting everything.
But
I'm
what
not supporting you. But
okay, but invest.
You're getting married, how can they divorce? After marriage.
I speak after marriage.
Okay.
Okay,
Create to
like both.
parents don't support what you.
Yeah, we can
After
manage
some
both
time,
sides.
is there any need to support from our family or not?
For what? Because you do social crime. That's the
It is
reason
not
family not
social
support.
crime.
Or you doing social.
Yes, Sony, come on.
Love marriage is not a social crime because before the marriage, the both couples are knowing each other from almost 10 years ago.
yes. Okay.
Miss Sony. Why you doing so?
Wow. No, he said well point.
Yeah, well, fine.
And that decreases the
You forget.
I don't know what it is.
That decreases intercaste, okay, or whatever you want to speak, okay, let it be now.
And in love marriage, the people can not see that the boy is which caste and the girl is which caste and which religion. They can do marriage without any parents' permission. That is also good.
Yes, very well.
I salute your
My partner is also said that in a love marriage there is multiple divorce case because in a love marriage couples can demand after marriage they can't means so they can't understand, and they can't means in a constitution they have also multiple rules in a women empowerment. So after love
Related
marriage,
to women.
so after
Women.
women empowerment,
Yeah.
so women can misuse their laws and cases in boys and again boys and boys family. So that's why in a love marriage there is a multiple divorce case.
But in
Sorry, both will fight. Who will speak first?
Very sorry.
Sony is speak.
They can speak.
He is not Sony.
Sony seems to
We are open to choose our partner, like we want to live with her and him. It is only we only solve that problem between two partners. But in arranged marriage, we are surrounded by the society. That's why we don't leave. Females are destroy their life.
No, but in a arranged marriage, our society can easily solve this problem. But in a love marriage, couples can't solve this problem. They can go to the constitution and law. But in a laws, there is a multiple women empowerment law. They can support and they can lead in a against a man.
But many ladies, they are scared by the people. They don't want to go through the government laws and all. They are scared by the society. That they don't want to go their home because she don't happy in their home. People are also yes. People are also harassed.
okay. Before they approach court, they are stopped in a park. I mean, in the middle of the road. Right. That's why that's why they.
Yeah, Gulshan bro said
Don't
that.
target me.
I will tell against you.
We are speak.
Okay. That team said that in love marriage, after the couples are married, they want something, but in the arranged marriage, when the people are marrying, they want dowry from the girl side, that is the parents. And in love marriage, after marrying, the boy and girls are planning buy each other's, and that thing we have to buy or not. Then they buy.
No, love is not a real. It's a long term and a real life. So, but in this time, many teenagers can stories and pressure because who have a girlfriend or boyfriend. So they can make a relationship and take a marriage. But after marriage, usually crush their relationship because of that's the problem.
Okay, who has said love is a real? Who has said love is a real? I want to ask.
Real.
He said right.
Generally,
Okay,
I don't
okay.
watching the reels in
Yes.
social media.
Yes, you are absolutely to ask.
How you know? You don't know
I
English.
know.
Because he listen you properly, that's why.
No, it's not listening.
Okay, no, so
Okay.
time is completed.
Yeah,
Time is completed.